in last period we solved some examples on practice set 3.3. Today we solve word problems on AP in practice set 3.4. Now we take first example. On 1st January 2016, Sanika decided to save rupees 10, rupees 11 on the second day, rupees 12 on the third day. If she decides to save like this, then on 31st December 2016, what would be her total saving? In this example, he starts saving on 1st January 2016 and he ends this saving at 31st December 2016. Here, on first day, he saves rupees 10. Second day, she saves rupees 11. Third day, she saves rupees 12. In this way, she saves on 31st December 2016 up to. Therefore, this is an AP. This is an AP because difference between two consecutive terms is 1. Here note that 11 minus 10 that is 1, 12 minus 11 that is equal to 1. In 2016, this is a leap year. In normal year, there are 365 days. In a leap year, there are 366 days. Here note that in this sequence, A is equal to 10, D is equal to, that is common difference is also 1, and total number of days, that is N is equal to 366. Therefore, we find the sum of the total saving. Therefore, here we know the formula Sn is equal to N upon 2 in bracket twice A plus N minus 1 into D. Put these values N, A and D. Here N is equal to 366. Therefore, S 366 is equal to N upon 2, that is 366 divided by 2 in bracket 2 multiplied by A that is 10, that is the first term, plus in bracket N minus 1. Here N is equal to 366 minus 1 multiply by D. Value of D is 1, therefore put this value in this way. Therefore, divide 366 by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6 in bracket 2 multiply by 10, that is 20, plus 365 minus 1, that is 365 multiply by 1. Now first take the product 365 multiply by 1, that is equal to 183 in bracket 20 plus 365. Now take the sum of 20 plus 365. Therefore is equal to 183 multiply by 385. Take the product of 183 multiply by 385. Therefore, product is 70,455. Therefore, S 366 is equal to 70,455. Therefore, we say that Sanika saved rupees 70,455. In this way, we solve this example. Now, we take second example. A man borrows rupees 8,000 and agrees to repay with a total interest of rupees 1,360 in 12 monthly installment. Each installment being less than the preceding one by rupees 40. Find the amount of the first and last installment. In this example, the man borrows rupees 8,000, that is principal is equal to rupees 8,000. Principal is equal to rupees 8,000. His total interest is rupees 1,360. Interest is equal to 1,360. Therefore, total repay amount is equal to rupees 8,000, that is principal plus interest, that is rupees 8,000 plus 1,360 is equal to rupees 9,360 rupees. Therefore, total number of installment in this example are 12. Therefore, S12 Sn is equal to rupees 9,360. Therefore, Sn, put the value of n that is 12. Therefore, S12 is equal to rupees 9,360. Here note that n is equal to 12 and each installment being less than the preceding one by rupees 40. Therefore, D is equal to, each installment is less than rupees 14, that is D is equal to negative 40. Therefore, here first find the first installment and next find the last installment. Now for first installment, we know the formula Sn is equal to n upon 2 in bracket twice A plus n minus 1 into D. Put the value of n, A and D, that is n is equal to 12. Therefore, S12 is equal to n, that is 12 divided by 6 in bracket twice A. We not know the value of A, that is twice A, plus n value of n is 12, that is 12 minus 1 into D, that is negative 40. Therefore, put the value of S12 that is 9,360 is equal to 12 divided by 6, that is 6 in bracket twice A plus 12 minus 1, that is 11, multiply by negative 40. This square bracket is completed. Now this 6 and this bracket, there is a relation between multiplication. Therefore, put this 6 in the left hand side. Therefore, it becomes divide, that is 9,360 divided by 6 is equal to twice A. Now here take the product of 11 into negative 40, that is the product is negative, that is minus 11 multiplied by 4, that is 440. Divide this 9,360 by 6. 6 ones are 6, 6 5s are 30, 6 6s are 36 and get 0 is equal to, take this negative 440 on left hand side, that is plus 440 is equal to twice A. Take the addition, therefore 0, 4 plus 6 10, carry 1, 5 plus 5 0, 5 plus 5 10, carry 1 2, 2000 is equal to twice A. Therefore, A is equal to 2000 divided by 2. Therefore, A is equal to 1000. Therefore, first installment is rupees 1000. Now find the 12th installment, that is T12. Therefore, here note that Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Therefore, T12 is equal to, what is the value of A? That is 1000 plus n, that is 12 minus 1 into D, that is negative 40 is equal to 1000 plus 11 multiplied by negative 40 is equal to 1000 minus 440. The difference is 560. Therefore, T12 is equal to 560. Therefore, his first installment is rupees 1000 and last installment is rupees 560. Now we take example number 5th. Kargil's temperature was recorded in a week from Monday to Saturday. All readings were in AP. The sum of the temperatures of Monday and Saturday was 5 degree centigrade more than sum of the temperature of Tuesday and Saturday. If the temperature of Wednesday was negative 30 degree Celsius, then find the temperature on the other 5 days. Here note that this is an AP. The given sequence is an AP. Therefore, total number of days are 6. Therefore, we take the temperature. Therefore, temperature from Monday to Saturday is temperature from Monday to Saturday, from Monday to Saturday are A minus 3D, A minus 2D, A minus T, A plus T, A plus 2D. In this way, the temperature of Monday is A minus 3D, the Tuesday is A minus 2D, Wednesday is A minus D, Thursday is A, Friday is A plus D, and Saturday is A plus 2D. This is an AP. This is an AP. Here given that the temperature of Wednesday was negative 30 degree. Therefore, here Wednesday's temperature is A minus D is negative 30 degree Celsius. This is equation number first. Again, it given the condition, the sum of the temperature of Monday and Saturday was 5 degree Celsius more than the sum of the temperature of Tuesday and Saturday. By given condition, sum of the temperature of Monday and Saturday. Therefore, Monday's temperature is A minus 3D and Saturday's temperature is A plus 2D. Is 5 degrees Celsius more than the sum of the temperature of Tuesday and Saturday. Tuesday temperature is A minus 2D plus Saturday temperature is A plus 2D, and it A minus 3D plus A plus 2D is greater than 5, that is the sum of the Tuesday and Saturday, that is plus 5. Here note that A plus 2D, this term get cancelled. Therefore, A minus 3D is equal to A minus 3D is equal to A minus 2D plus 5. Therefore, here also put A minus 2D on the left hand side. Therefore, A minus 3D minus A plus 2D is equal to 5. Therefore, A minus A get 0, minus 3D plus 2D, that is negative D, is equal to 5. Therefore, D is equal to negative 5. Here we get the value of D. D is equal to negative 5. From this value we can find the value of A. Put this value in equation first. Put D is equal to negative 5 in equation first. Therefore equation first becomes A, that is A minus D. Value of D is negative 5. Negative 5 is equal to negative 30. Therefore A, negative get positive, that is A plus 5 is equal to negative 30. Therefore A is equal to negative 30, negative 5. Therefore A is equal to negative 35. Therefore we got the values A is equal to negative 35 and D is equal to negative 5. Therefore we can find the temperature of Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Therefore Monday's temperature is A minus 3D is equal to negative 35 minus 3 into negative 5. Therefore is equal to negative 35 plus 15 is equal to negative 35 plus 15, that is negative 20 degree Celsius. Find the temperature of Tuesday, that is A minus 2D is equal to minus 35 minus 2 into negative 5 is equal to negative 35 plus 10 is equal to negative 25 degree Celsius. A minus D is equal to negative 35 negative minus 5 is equal to negative 35 plus 5 is equal to negative 30 degree Celsius. Next, A plus D is equal to negative 35 plus D, that is negative 5, that is equal to negative 35 minus 5 is equal to negative 35 minus 5 is equal to negative 40 degree Celsius. Next, A plus 2D is equal to negative 35 plus 2 into D, that is 2 into negative 5 is equal to, therefore negative 35 minus 10 is equal to negative 45 degree Celsius. Therefore temperature from Monday to Saturday are first, that is negative 20 degree Celsius, second negative 25 degree Celsius, negative 30 degree Celsius, A, that is negative 35 degree Celsius, negative 40 degree Celsius and negative 45 degree Celsius. Okay.